Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we created this menu for our website. The design is different from what it was last time because I've switched to a new theme. In this video we'll see how we can create pages. Obviously we did create some pages in the last video, but we did not have a look at the options associated with the creation of new pages. So in this video we'll see in detail what can we do while creating a new page. For that, let's log into our WordPress dashboard. Head to the Pages tab. Here are all the pages our website currently has. We added these pages in the last video. If you have bulk pages in your website and you're unable to find a specific page, you can search it from this search box. This tab shows all pages. There are 8 pages in total, but the published pages are 7. So the one page that is still a draft and is not live yet is under this draft tab. That is the privacy policy page. Okay, how we can add new pages? Click on add new. Name this page. Let's say we name it blog. Before publishing this page, we can check some settings for this page. For example, the visibility of this page is currently set to public. Click it and we can change to private. If we change it to private, it will be visible to only admins and editors. We can also make it password protected. So this page will be accessible to only those people who will have a password to this page. Let's keep it public for now. You can also schedule when to publish this page. For example, if you don't want this page to be published immediately when you click this button, you can add a schedule that when this page has to be published. Click this and set a date from this calendar, that is, set this date and time, and now this page will publish on September 19 at 9:23 a.m. We can also change the permalink for this page. A permalink is appended to the domain name like this. Currently it's blog. Let's make it my blog, and it has changed respectively. You can add a featured image to this page. It will be visible at the top, but that's optional. In discussion tab, you can allow comments on this page, but this will work only if this page is set as your posts page. In page attributes tab, you can select a template for your page. Front page, we don't want it to be our front page because we set our home page as a front page in the last video. So let's keep it as default template. So these were some settings you can change while creating a page. You can delete this page before even publishing the page from here. This is foolish, but yes, you can. You can hide this settings sidebar by clicking this settings icon. Okay, click on schedule. This page will not be published immediately because we scheduled when will this page go live. So that's how you create a new page for your website. Let's go to all pages. Here this page has a tag scheduled. All of these pages are published, but this one is scheduled. Also, now we have a new tab scheduled here. It will have all the pages listed that are to be published on a certain schedule. That's all for this video. Do let me know if you have any question. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications for every latest video. See you in the next video.